let's start today's drawing. For today's drawing, I'm doing one plus sign over here. So I'm making this line long. The whole body is going to be this much long. So it's almost like a 4.5 inches, and this is 1 inch this side and 1 inch this side. So this is kind of like alphabet U shape, but this one is not really curvy on the top. And I'm going to start from here, and I will do smiley, means curvy line over here, and same thing I'm going to pull this one, so you can see a little bit tilted over here and curvy here, and this side I will pull it a little bit down. Now I have to do lots of alphabet V over here. So first I will do this side and this side, and one I can do in the middle, and then I will fill with the alphabet V. So from this line I'm going to curve and go all the way here. So this is the wing. So baseline or guideline is like that. It's going to be sad face, and then it's curving this side. So alphabet S over here. Let me make it a little bit dark. On the top I'm going to draw some alphabet U or V shape. Then now under this one I will do one curvy line here and one curvy line this side. So kind of like a alphabet U or C, you can say. So this one is getting a little bit longer, and this one is a little bit shorter over here. And I will make a mark here and here, and I will connect both of them with the curvy line. Now on the top of this line I'm going to draw kind of like a check mark, and then at the end of the check mark I will pull it down a little bit. And then we can draw one lip shape or circle. And from here I can draw another arch. So this one is going from here, so I will leave a little bit gap over here, and I will go on the line over here. Now this is the area where we are going to draw the beak. For that, basic line is, or guideline is, a smiley face over here, and from here kind of straight line. Then I will curve this one going down. So this one again going down, this is tilted, and this is kind of straight or little bit arch over here. Here I will do alphabet U, and from here it's a sad face and then a smiley. So sad face is little bit bigger than the smiley face. So you can see smiley face is over here, and then sad face is big over here. From here I will do only sad face all the way here. When it's going to touch the smiley face, here I will curve this one, and from here I also curve this one, and here I am going to draw the shape kind of like a curvy alphabet V. It will go in and out like this. So here it's inside and out here. This is again in and out. So this line is going here, so I will start from here and I will do curvy line or alphabet V shape, U shape. And we can't see any line here, so we will erase this one. And from here or here, doesn't matter really, draw one line this side and one line over here, and this is the guideline for this. Inside we can draw long alphabet U. I will do a smiley here. So this is the line. I will do one line here tilted, and this is my guideline. Another one tilted too, two of them, and this one will turn and go in this direction. And here I will do sad face on the top, alphabet U, and then skinny U. Same thing we do again like this one. So this one is tilted, this one is less tilted. And then I'm going to turn this one and make it alphabet U. And when I'm doing this part, I will start. So this one is coming here, not exactly under that, little bit before I will do that. And from here I will do sad face, and then big alphabet U, then skinny one,